Hi, welcome to our Grier Hall dorm tour. Welcome to our room. So this is what a typical double in Grier looks like. We have the beds, which you can have bunked or separated, and then we have the desks. We brought a little TV, mini fridge, microwave, and there's Morgan again, hello. And then we have double closets, and it's really nice, and there's actually a lot of space in here, so there's never any problems with having too much stuff or having space to study, because it's great. Welcome to the bathrooms in Grier Hall. So the bathrooms in Grier are communal style, but since the building is so new, there are separate showers, toilets, and sinks in 4 different stalls, which is pretty convenient because you have your own privacy with the same experience as living in a communal shower. Right, Morgan?
Yes.
What's your favorite part about living in Grier?
The air conditioner.
Yeah, definitely. Definitely a plus. What's been one of your favorite things on campus so far?
All the welcoming people and the mentors are really helpful.
Definitely. So this part of our tour is the basement of Grier Hall. And so behind me you see it's just a pretty big open space, and it has different couches and stuff, and you can sit and hang out with your friends, or you can bring some homework to do, and it's really, really quiet down here. As you can see, there's no one in here, so it's a great place to study if you need to get away. So the next thing on tour we have is the laundry room. And so this is what a typical laundry room looks like in Grier Hall. We have the washers and dryers, and then we have a change machine so that you can change your dollar bills to coins if you don't have any. It's pretty easy to use, and it's really nice in here, so it's really convenient. Now my roommate and I are on our way back up in the elevator to go back to the main lounge where our floor is at. The next part of our tour is the main lounge area. So this is what the lounge looks like. It's really nice, isn't it, Morgan?
Yes.
Very nice. Thanks for coming to our Grier Hall dorm tour. We hope to see you around campus. Bye!